Good morning, my dear student and my dear friends. Let me introduce myself. I am Saranupani. I have started in Nalyini Academy in Pondicherry, and I am coaching for a CA, CMA, and CS Foundation Inter, and also coaching for a +1, +2 accounting student. And in previous session, I have taken the golden rules, which will be helpful for you. And today also, I am going to take the fundamental of accounts. It's called the accounting cycle. With the help of accounting cycle, we can prepare the whole financial statement. So we can see what is accounting cycle. Accounting cycle is nothing but a sequence of steps involved in the involved. What is sequence of steps? It is an identification. It's a step-by-step process. That is a sequence of a step-by-step process. And second point, identification and recording of financial transaction of an organization, and end with the preparation of final accounts for the accounting year. Identification and recording. What is identification? Identification nothing but, for example, if you are purchasing a bill, what you will see in that purchasing bill, the goods coming in. So you will see the invoice, what will have name, company name, and date, and the product name. That is identification. And recording. You are recording as a purchase. When you sell it, it is recorded as a sales. That is identification, recording of a financial transaction of an organization. For what purpose? In the organization, and ends with the preparation of final accounts for the accounting year. Preparation of final accounts. So when the identification recording ends, what will be goes? Journal, ledger, trial balance. Then it goes with the preparation of final accounts. That is trading, P&L, and balance sheet. This is the final accounts of the accounting year. Then third step. Next year it will be the opening balance of the asset and liabilities, which are the closing balance of preceding years. After closing a balance sheet, what will be the asset and liability will be the opening balance for the next year. I have said the meaning of accounting cycle. Next, I am going to say about the transaction and journal. There are 7 steps: transaction, journalizing, posting and balance, preparation of trial balance, preparing a trading account, preparing a profit and loss account, preparing a balance sheet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are 7 steps. It's called the accounting cycle. I will say each meaning. What is a transaction and journalizing? Transaction is nothing but identifying the financial transaction of a business. I said in previous little bit, I said that identifying the financial transaction. What is financial transaction? Buying asset or buying a goods. It's a financial transaction in monetary basis. All the monetary transactions are recorded in the books of original entries called the journal. A monetary transaction nothing but when you buy the goods, what it basis? A money basis. That's all the monetary transactions are recorded in the books of original entry. It is called the journal. Journal. When you purchase a goods, what it will be recorded in the book? A journal. That is, they used to say journal. Recording the transaction in a journal is called the journalizing. When you purchase a goods, what's the entry? Purchase account to cash account. That's the journal. They used to say journalizing. Entries are made on the basis of source document. What is source document? Source document are the invoice. When we buy a goods, what they will give with you? A invoice, and that's called the source document. The third cycle is posting and balance. We have finished the transaction and journalizing. The third one, what we want to see is posting and balance. After journalizing, what we are going to do is, after journal, what we will do? A ledger. That is called the posting and balance. Transferring the entry from the journal to the ledger. See, journal to the ledger is called the posting. Journal, purchase account data to cash account. Purchase, we are taking that head as a ledger. Journal to the ledger is called the posting. Then next point, what is a balance? Finding the difference between the total of debit column and credit column of the ledger account is called the balancing. For example, I will say that is purchase good. I said purchase good for cash rupees 1000. Purchase account data to cash account. There are 2 accounts: purchase account data to cash account. So purchase, we have to take a separate ledger head. This is purchase. So in which side it will be? To cash. It's on the debit side. So to cash account. 1000. So when we close the account, 1000. This is a purchase ledger. So purchase account to cash account. Purchase in the debit side. So to cash account 1000. We want to close the books. So 1000 we are recorded. We are closing this. So 1000. By balance CD. This is 1000. So carry to balance BD. So this is the point. Debit column and credit column of all the ledger account is called the balancing. Can you clear this? And the fourth one is preparing of trial balance. Preparing of trial balance is nothing but what we made in posting and balance. A trial balance we made, ledger we made, no, that is a trial balance. The list of ledger balance, namely a trial balance is prepared. A list of ledger balance, namely a trial balance prepared. On the basis of ledger balance, a financial statements prepared. A financial statement is nothing but a financial position which shows, that's a financial statement. Now we are moving to preparing of trading account. It's a fifth step. What is preparing of trading account? It is a particular account. And what all the trading account we used to prepare? We used to record raw material of companies, what we purchased. That is direct revenue and direct expenses. What is direct revenue? A sale. A sale is a direct revenue. When you sell, what will get? Cash will be received. It's a direct revenue. And a stock, what we will have in your hand, a closing stock. And what is the direct expenses? When you purchase the goods, or when you purchase the goods, and what all the expenses will be happen? Carriage inward, freight inward, wages. It all comes under the direct expenses. And when we finish the trading account, what will be the balance of the trading account? Will be get a gross profit, and credit side will get a gross loss. We are moving to this sixth step, preparing of profit and loss account. Preparing of profit and loss is also a accounting period. It's prepared for particular accounting period. What all will be recorded in the profit and loss account? It record the indirect revenue and indirect expenses. What all the indirect revenue? Indirect revenue is nothing but commission received, interest received, rent received. It's all recorded in indirect revenue and dividend received. And indirect expenses are salary, rent, wages, printing and stationery, advertisement expenses, sales promotion expenses, miscellaneous. All recorded in the indirect expenses. The difference what will occur? The balance of profit and loss will be we will get a net profit or a net loss. Finally, we came to the last step. It's a seventh step. It's a preparing of a balance sheet. What is balance sheet? It's a statement or accounts. Balance sheet is always a statement, not accounts. Okay. A statement showing that a balance of asset and liabilities, namely it's said to be a balance sheet. In balance sheet, what will be they say? Liabilities and assets. At the 31st March, what will be recorded as on date? We record the balance sheet. It's prepared on the particular date. And after finishing this balance sheet, what will be for next year? The closing balance of the balance sheet will be opening balance of the next year. That is the opening entry. This is the seventh step. I think that I made a clear thing in the accounting cycle. The session has been over, and I like to say that I opened a channel in Telegram, nalyiniacademy. You can download for material for a CMA and CA, Foundation Inter, LLB and Partnership Act. I have uploaded. The material will be helpful for your exam, and I will write my Telegram name also. Sri Nalayini Academy. In Telegram you can search, and you can contact me by number 908 703 9899. It's in Telegram. I created a channel. And this is my channel name, Sri Nalayini Academy in Telegram, and this is my mobile number. You can note it down. If you have any doubt in this, you can make a call, or you want any document related to the LLP and partnership, I have uploaded in my Telegram channel. Thank you.